In this video, I'll show you how to connect your PowerBeats Pro to your Android smartphone or Android tablet. So the first step is to open the case, make sure both of these are inserted, and then you see there's a button right here. Maybe hard to see on camera, but there is a button. You need to keep it pressed during 3 seconds until this LED starts blinking. So let's do it together. I'm keeping it pressed right now. Okay, the LED is blinking. I can remove my finger. Leave the case with the lid open. Take your phone. Now we need to go into the Bluetooth settings of your phone. So I'll go in settings here. Usually once you open settings, it should look like this. I'll go in connections, Bluetooth, make sure Bluetooth is turned on. And over here under available devices, PowerBeats Pro should appear. Click on PowerBeats Pro. Select pair and it will be connected. Now to have more options, because on Android, even if you click the small cogwheel here on the right side of PowerBeats Pro, you won't have many options. To have more options, you need to download the Beats app on the Play Store. Okay, so I have the Beats app already downloaded here. I'll open it, click allow. Here, click got it. And if there is an update pending for your PowerBeats Pro, you're gonna see it over here. It will say update. Click on it. Click update. They will say place them in the case. Make sure the earbuds are properly placed in the charging case and close the lid. Close the lid and the update will begin. After doing the update, what you can do with the app is, well, you can change the name of your PowerBeats and you can change a few other settings that you won't be able to do it if you do not have this app for your Android smartphone. So that's quite nice. I know that on iPhone and iPads, you don't need this app. You can go ahead and in the settings, you'll be able to change them. But if you have an Android phone, you absolutely need this app that is connected to them to be able to have access. So thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.